Namaskar Standard 5 students. It is our first class after second term exam. I hope you all are okay at your home. You are maintaining all the process and instructions during the COVID crisis. Okay. So let's start about third term exam syllabus. Our first chapter of third term exam syllabus is chapter 9, algorithm and flowchart. Okay. Our first chapter is chapter 9. Our first chapter discussing about third term syllabus is chapter 9 and the name is algorithm and flowchart. ALGORITHM and flowchart FLOWCHART. Algorithm and flowchart. ALGORITHM and flowchart. Okay. This is our discussion today. Chapter 9, algorithm and flowchart. You can see here. So, what is the algorithm? This is our chapter 9, algorithm and flowchart. So open your book, open your chapter 9, page number 141, chapter 9. So discussing about algorithm and flowchart, first say what is algorithm? So you can see here, it is written here, an algorithm is a step-by-step list of instructions to solve a specific task. An algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to solve a specific task. That means, if we want to do something, okay, forget about that. First say, when we do in the questions, like how you can open MS Word program, we write down the answers like this. Step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, click on the all program. Step 3, click on accessories. Step 4, click on MS Office. Step 5, click on MS Word 2007 or 2010, anything as the OS provided us. So these are the steps we see or we write during the questions, that how we can open, how you will open MS Word. Okay. So algorithm is the same thing. It is saying that step by step process to do a specific task. We are writing this when we write this question's answer, that how we will open MS Word or anything, a game, we write down the question's answer like step by step. It is also this thing, same thing. We are writing actually this algorithm, that how we can open MS Word. This is actually the algorithm. The step by step we are writing. That we actually, okay. In another way, we can have another example like what we can say. How will you make a tea? How will you make a tea? তুমি কি করে চা বানাবে? So I don't know exactly how to make, but I can make. But if you want to say that first have a kettle. Okay. Second step, switch on the oven. Third step, put some water on the kettle. In this way, step by step, we can say the how to make a tea. So these are the things, or these are the process to say or to do a specific task, and the way of saying or writing the process, this is called algorithm. Because algorithm is a step by step process, so and we are also saying the steps to do a specific task. Okay, now this is the algorithm. So What is flowchart? Algorithm is a step by step only writing, but flowchart is a pictorial thing. Pictorial thing is the same thing but with some picture or some shapes. Shapes means some circular thing, some rectangle thing, okay, oval shape, rectangular shape, square shape. These are the pictorial thing, picture thing. When we write or say an algorithm with some pictures or shapes, then it comes or it is called a flowchart. Okay. You can see here many shapes. Page number 142. You can see here many shapes like oval shape. Oval shape means start and stop box. That means when we start an algorithm or a flowchart, we start with oval shape, and when we finishing on the last line of the algorithm or flowchart, we will use the oval shape. Next come rectangle shape. Rectangle shape is process box. It is used for a process or action. Okay. Third shape is parallelogram. It is an input output box. That means when we say that we have to put some ingredient in that during to making a tea, that put some spoon of sugar or tea or give some milk, we will use that parallelogram shape. Then comes diamond shape. It is a decision box. Then comes arrow. It is a flow line. Then comes small circle. It is a connector. Okay. So these are the shapes we use in the flowchart. Read this chapter very carefully. It is a very good chapter, flowchart and algorithm. We can see these types of things in our senior classes also, like 7, 8, 9, 10. In these classes also we will see the same thing, algorithm and flowchart. Okay. So this is the end of our class. In our next class we will discuss more about this chapter, and we may discuss about the question answer also. So don't miss all these classes. Okay, bye students. Namaskar.